Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry Used Cars. I'm reviewing this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica minivan for you. I'm just finishing up my test drive. The drive went really good. The brakes feel good. Suspension, all that. No weird noises or anything like that. I really love driving a minivan. It's a hidden passion of mine, maybe, I don't know. I think they're very comfortable how they sit. I love that they get, this one gets I think 28 miles a gallon on the highway. I love the power of them. I love that they're front wheel drive. I don't have to worry about the snow or anything like that. Just a nice, comfortable vehicle. So I'm gonna flip this around. We're gonna show you the benefits and some features of this Chrysler Pacifica, as well as point out any negatives that I might see along the way. So here we go. So just backing up, when you turn the shifter knob into reverse, it pops up the backup monitor that is doubles as the radio here, AM, FM, and Sirius radio. This is a Chrysler pre-owned certified vehicle, so one of the benefits of that is you get 3 months of Sirius radio for free. It does have connectivity through your phone with USB and aux port and also Bluetooth. You have your climate controls on here, and then you also have your phone controls where you can pair your phone and talk to the speakers of the car, which I really enjoy. I don't like talking on the phones. I don't like that thing in my ear, but I love talking on the phone in my car. We have a couple knobs here. These are redundant knobs, do the same thing as the radio does, but if you're more of a knob person, you have radio knob, and then also a tuner knob. It does have park assist on the back, so as I'm backing up, if I get close to something, maybe a bicycle that got left behind the minivan, it's going to beep at you. And I'll show you those sensors when we get outside. Traction control over here, and then automatic stop off right there. Heating and air conditioning controls down here. Again, redundant buttons. The radio will do it all, but if you're more of a button knob person, it has that. A nice slot down here to put a phone maybe, and also USB connector to charge it, and an aux port if you need to use that for audio. Another slot down there. This pops out, has your chain receptacle in it, and a nice deep spot there for your different various items. Down below there, it has a 12-volt power socket and a USB socket. Two beverage holders here in the center. Overall, this van shows really clean. I don't see a lot of dirt in the nooks or anything like that. This is a one-owner minivan. Got traded in here just recently to the store. This is the history report I'm showing you here. I don't see any history of accidents or water damage or hail damage, nothing like that. Score's really good at a 94. Does have the factory books in it. This does have power sliding doors, which I'll show you, and a power liftgate, which is really nice, as well as programmable garage door remotes. Automatic headlights, so you don't have to worry about turning them on or off, or leaving them on or leaving them off. Power windows and locks. Adjustable mirrors, power mirrors here, and they're also heated as well. All right, let's take a look outside. Exterior has a metallic granite paint, really looks good. The sun's starting to come out and it'll start to sparkle. Fully painted bumper, does have fog lights down here. Black insert on the grille, really does well with the chrome surrounding there. The windshield looks good. I don't see any chips or cracks in it. 17-inch alloy wheels. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Second time I've done this today. This has 34,890 miles on it. Sorry about that. And there's no lights or anything on the dash. Comes with the Chrysler certified pre-owned benefits, one of which is the 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. So that's stronger than the warranty that this van had on it when the first owner bought it, which would have been 5-year, 60,000. Power sliding doors, you can see, again, this is the 8-passenger. So this has the stow and go system, so the 2 end seats will stow into the ground. The third seat is removable. So benefit of that, if you don't need that seat, you can remove it, put it in maybe an attic or storage space for when you do need it. So you get the benefits of both the 7 and 8 passenger in this, which is hard to find in these minivans. Black interior, you notice there, so it's gonna be easy to keep clean. Defroster rear window here with the wiper. Back looks nice. Here's your little backup sensors. There's 4 of them in the rear bumper here. Those are going to sense if they're getting close to something. Again, power rear lift gate, which is really nice. You can open this up with the keyless remote. So if you got groceries in your hand, just hit the button and it'll open. Stow and go seats back here, they'll flop down into the well back here, and the back row and the middle row will fold flat in the ground minus that center seat like I mentioned. You can get a lot of cargo space in here if you need it. I believe you can fit a 4x8 sheet of lumber in the back of these Pacifica minivans. Passenger side looks just as good as the rest of the van. Again, I don't see any body damage, major scratch or dents. Overall, nice, clean car. I hope you found this review helpful. Being a Chrysler certified pre-owned vehicle, you can buy rest assured, as there's an extra warranty that comes with this particular van because of that. Also, financing is available, super great rates right now, and what that means for you is a low payment. So Chrysler minivans are quite the minivan out there. I love driving them. I love the power sliding doors. You don't have to worry about the kids opening up the door into a car right beside it, putting a ding in it. Just a lot of benefits that I see with a minivan. Very economical. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great remainder of your